our kitty can draw a friend. Wait, Bingo's an elf now? Let's draw her before she starts making toys. First, draw a horizontal line with a triangular shape at its end for the nose. Color the nose, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw a curve coming down from the nose and to the right. Then make a mirror image of the letter C and extend the lower part to the left. Then draw a tiny vertical line coming down and make a larger mirror image of the letter C around. Inside the mouth at the top, draw a wavy line for the teeth, then a half circle at the bottom for the tongue. Connect the teeth to the bottom part of the mouth with a line. On top of the large letter C, draw half an oval shape for the eye. Draw a curved line in the middle and a small half oval shape over it. Draw another half oval shape above the nose with a curved line in the middle and a small half oval shape on top. Color the small oval shapes to finish the eyes. Draw a curved line over the eyes for the bottom part of the hat. On the right side, draw a curved line going up, then make it a little wavy and end it with a curve going down. On the left side, draw a long curved line going all the way up, then to the right, then down next to the first line. Draw a circle connecting these two lines. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. On the left side, draw a vertical line going down from the hat. Draw a similar line on the right side. Draw a wide letter V under the mouth for the color. Draw a letter V under each side to finish the color. For the belt, draw two horizontal lines coming out from the left side of the body towards the center. Then draw a square for the buckle. Before completing the belt, draw two vertical lines on the right side of the body for the arm. Then draw the hand with 3 fingers. Make a horizontal line in the middle of the arm. Now complete the belt by drawing 2 horizontal lines coming out from the buckle towards the right side, intersecting the arm. Draw an upside down letter V right under the buckle, then connect each side of the coat to the letter V. Draw half an oval shape at the bottom for the bottom part of the body. Draw 2 lines coming down from the bottom of the body, then connect them with a horizontal line. Repeat the same step to make the 2 legs. For the boots, draw a vertical line coming down from the right side, then a letter C connecting the 2 sides together. Repeat the same steps to make the other boot. Decorate the socks with some stripes. For the other arm, draw 2 diagonal lines coming up from the left side of the body. Then draw the hand with 4 fingers. Add a curve inside the palm and make a line in the middle of the arm. Draw a thick eyebrow over each eye. Draw a square in between the eyebrows for the buckle on the hat. Then draw 2 curved lines on each side. Decorate the hat with some curved lines on the right side. For the tail, draw 2 curved lines coming out from the right side of the body. Connect them together at the end with a few curves. Decorate the tail with a line in the middle. Decorate Bingo's face with a few lines around the eyes. Bingo on her way to make the toys. Now you can draw Bingo just like an elf. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.